Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Y'all see Shake and Bake with the U-Haul. You already see Jay in the back of the U-Haul early this morning. We traveled to a auto parts store and to get gas, and the passenger side rear tire is wobbling quite a bit, so we're gonna jack it up, find out what's going on. And hey, this is what happens in a drag and drive. So I'm getting off this video and going to help Jake. So we'll be back. Alrighty folks, we're doing some comm checks. Make sure we're good to go. Just sit it over your head. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Test, 1, 2.
Go ahead. Do that again.
Test, 1, 2.
No, you got to do the...
Oh. Test, 1, 2.
I'm not hearing you.
I hear you fine. Test, 1, 2.
I hear you now.
All right. Let's go, baby. Shake and Bake Team MRH. Wow, I can't speak.
Let's rock and roll, baby.
Indeed.
All right, folks, we're on historic Route 66 headed towards Dallas. Woohoo! We're dragging and driving, Jay.
We're dragging and driving out Route 66 historic road going to Dallas.
Alrighty folks, I missed the first two stops. 3-pedal J has got the first 2 checkpoints. So if you want to see the first 2 checkpoints, go back, check out his channel. He's got the first 2 checkpoints. We're at checkpoint 3, which is forced performance. You can see them over there. So as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by a battery malfunction, or my battery went dead. Check out 3-pedal J to catch the first 2 checkpoints. We're at checkpoint 3, forced performance. Sitting out here chilling. There are some sick rides out here. Starting with this one. Just, who would ever think a Pro Bot to be hauling a trailer around? But guess what? We got one hauling a trailer around. We got lots of people hauling trailers around. But We're gonna give old Shake and Bake a break. We're gonna walk in here to Forced Performance and see what they got going on. All right, everyone, we are at Jay's uncle's place. We ran 360 some odd miles to get from Tulsa, Oklahoma to we're in Grand Prairie at his uncle's place. And then we're probably about 30 minutes from the track from here. So yeah, lots of driving. I missed quite a bit of content that 3-Pedal J has on his channel. So please go check out his channel. He has a lot of stuff that I missed, specifically the first 2 or 3 checkpoints and everything in between, because all I was concentrating on was driving, following our Mopar brothers that found us from Alabama. That story is coming up in the next video. It's quite an amazing story. It's pretty cool. So stay tuned, folks. More content coming.